At the end of the first full day of North Carolina's mask mandate, we've seen plenty of people following it and others choosing not to. You probably won't get in trouble for not wearing one, since many law enforcement officials have said they can't really enforce it.
Yeah, but they are still very strongly encouraged. Here is a refresher of the new mandate. You need a mask in all public places when physical distancing isn't possible. Now, there are exceptions for people with medical issues, young kids, and when people are exercising. Businesses can enforce the mandate however they see fit. Our Glenn Counts joins us live right now from Camp North End. And Glenn, we know a lot of people are usually out there right now. Have you seen many people wearing masks?
Well, yeah, Genevieve, we've actually seen, more than you might think. And that's really surprising in a way because, I know the governor made the order, made it mandatory, but that order doesn't have a whole lot of teeth. And so people are free to do pretty much what they want to do, and more of them are choosing to wear a mask. There is a new energy in our community with more people venturing out.
Well, we live in South End, so the population around there is normally not wearing masks. So whenever we were out and walking around, walking our dog, we didn't tend to bring it.
We caught up with Megan Moose and her boyfriend Willis Davenport at Camp North End. While they were not serious about wearing a mask 24 hours ago, they say that's changed.
I think now that the data is catching up, it's getting more serious because I think when this all first started happening, people are wondering if we're overreacting, underreacting.
While the governor made mask wearing mandatory, a lot of people are looking at how cases are spiking in South Carolina, Florida, Georgia, and Texas. Have you noticed more people wearing it in the last 24 hours?
Yes. Even just walking down over here, I've seen everyone with a mask.
We caught up with the Price family off Camden in South End. All of them wearing a mask, but even without the order, they would have done so because of family who caught COVID, beat it, but continues to suffer from the after effects.
So even with retesting and testing negative, she's still having issues with breathing. She's on oxygen. It's been a battle for her.
Well, Lachey Price also takes care of seniors in a nursing home facility. That's one of the reasons that she's so cautious and so diligent about wearing her mask. And she hopes you will too, because she thinks that ultimately that's how we're going to beat this. Genevieve?
Absolutely, Glenn. That's what we're hearing from the experts. We appreciate your report tonight, Glenn. We want to show you what experts say and why they say those masks can be so effective. A study in the Journal of Health Affairs estimates between 230,000 and 450,000 cases were prevented in the states that enacted mask requirements between April 8th and May 15th. They say the daily number of new cases dropped as much as 2% in those states. The study did have some limitations, though. It couldn't measure compliance, and researchers could only look at confirmed cases.